Welcome to Volatility 411 for Equity Armor Investments. I'm Joe Teagay. Let's jump right into it. We have volatility on the rise today. We're going to get the Fed Beige book. We had a really weak PMI this morning, a very strong jolt. So still some economic data that's a little bit mixed, and of course a very big important jobs number coming on Friday. That's going to tell us a lot. Now, right now, the narrative is that the market's starting to price in another rate hike at the next Fed meeting. We'll have to see how that plays out. And really two things can happen for me the rest of this week. Either we have a good jobs number and that rate hike comes through, or a really weak jobs number and the Fed does not hike rates. In either case, the market's had a tremendous run recently, fueled by NVDA and AI. The tech stocks and the largest stocks of the S&P 500 are having a fantastic year, really driving all of the growth essentially. If you look at the top 7 names in the S&P 500, on average they're up 42%. If you look at the rest of the 493 other names in the S&P 500, they're only up 1%. So all of the gains essentially coming from the top 7 names, and those 7 names are really being fueled by AI. They're the companies that have all the data, have all the cash, have all the technology to take advantage of it. Oh, and by the way, if the economists are right and there is a recession, we're going to want to own these companies with a lot of cash on hand. And they often do well in times of recession because they're able to buy up some companies that have a lot of debt and aren't able to service that debt by refinancing at these higher rates. So we'll have to watch how that plays out. The VIX, for its part, it is higher today, still under 20. We're under 18 still on the VIX, but it is interesting. The VIX hasn't really made a new low. We're almost kind of starting to creep higher the last couple of days, even with the market, especially the NASDAQ going higher. So that is something I'm watching. Yes, we are past the holiday day, but watching the market go higher and volatility go higher sometimes can be a tell for me the market's getting ready for a big move. We'll have to wait and see which way that pans out. For Equity Armor Investments, I'm Joe Teagay.